Let's just say that I am not sober right now. I will let you guys determine what kind of not sober I am, but let's just say that it's not the drunk kind. Oh no. Ooh. So, in my not sober state, I am going to try my best. I am going to try and follow a makeup tutorial. And because I am not very good at makeup, I thought, why not go all out and pick the boldest look that I can find and try it. But to make it a little bit easier on myself, since I am, a little out of it, I'm going to be following a tutorial that uses a palette that I already own so that I don't have to do any guesswork with the colors or trying to match it because I don't have a whole lot of makeup outside of this palette. And I've always loved the maroon colors in this palette anyway, so when I found this tutorial by Jay Kissa, which I had already seen before, so I kind of had this in mind because I love Jay Kissa and I watch her videos a lot. So when I had the idea to make this video, I thought I should go back to this tutorial. It'll be really pretty, and now I finally have the palette and can actually try it myself. Let's begin. Okay, so Jay Kissa doesn't use like foundation or anything like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Gonna prime my face. Ooh! Where did that go? Wipe it on the legs. Oh, I don't have a towel. Foundation. In the palest shade that there is. I'm testing out this mirror. I just got this mirror. They definitely didn't send me the right one though. Like, I got it in the mail and it was like a different brand than the one that I ordered and a different size, but beggars can't be choosers, even though I did choose it. That's the point of online shopping. But it's chill. I'm gonna keep it because it's a pretty color and it still does the job. I wonder what the magnified side looks. That's a lot. That's too much. That's too much. Okay. I don't know how people cover up all their acne and like their red spots and stuff. Like, it doesn't seem to matter what I do. Like, I can put on layer after layer of foundation and like concealer and shit, but like, you can still see that. This is not gonna look like Jay Kissa. I hope y'all are not expecting me to like replicate this. No, it's just gonna be what it is, and I'm just gonna embrace whatever garbage comes out of this video. Can you guys tell who I'm influenced by? Gotta set the eyes. I haven't even gotten into the tutorial yet. Like, I literally haven't even done one thing because I'm doing all the steps that she doesn't do. And I can't stop looking at the viewfinder and not the camera. Oh no, man. Now, a matte shade close to my skin tone. I mean, like, that's kind of shimmery, but we just gonna go for it. Okay. So the other thing is, Jay Kissa has these like big beautiful eyes with like lots of lid space. My eyes are hooded, so like I have to pretend that my crease is like way up here instead, like up on my eyebrows, so it looks like my eyes are bigger and like have more depth and you can actually see the colors, because otherwise they'll just fade into oblivion. So she's taken the pink color and she's like exaggerating her crease. So she's putting it. They just fall out all over my face. If I just like blend it out with my fingers, will it look better? That's not even at all. Ooh, that eye looks good. Like, that eye looks better than this one. Okay, continue. Onwards. I'm just using the same brush for everything so far. Love Letter. This is a really pretty color. Looks like she basically did the same thing, kind of. Just blending it. There's too much. Just blending it right on top of that where it was and going up like a wing, she said. Those are pretty together. Kind of looks like I have a black eye, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay. Oof, oof, oof. Oh no. Okay. Oh, I think I messed it up. Oh, it looked okay. And then I went back in with the blonde fresco. Oh, no, look at that. That's too much. Fuck, okay. Well, no, it has to be even. Oh, no. Okay, whatever. It's a bold look. That's what we're going for. It's like way darker over here. Would it help to like add like a light color in there? Probably not. I'm probably fucking it up. I'm fucking it up. I need to stop. Put some more pink on there. So she took red ochre. Just putting it right on the lid there. Dude, makeup is like an art. Like seriously, I'm taking the smaller brush. Makeup is an art. I have so much respect for Jake Hissler right now. And for everyone that does makeup. Because this is fucking hard. Yeah, it definitely just looks like I have a disease. Burnt orange. Burnt orange in the under eyes. Burnt orange in the under eyes. In the under eyes? Okay. Like there's already like powder under here, it looks like, because like I've had so much fallout and it's just like it creeps like into my eyelids and like falls down my face. Ooh, okay. Who's she? Oh, that was too much. It was okay at first. I like almost didn't fail and then it did. She does it so delicately. Oh, that's better. That eye was better. Right? I think like the problem is like I always load the brush and do this eye first, so there's like way more powder on this eye than on this eye. Oh, no, I don't want to ruin this eye if I go to this eye first. Get off! Get off! Is there even any on the brush? Who knows? Yeah, yes, beach, okay. Yep, she just added in a little bit of red. And then she connects it with the red ochre again. Oh no. Look at that. Oh, it was almost good. It was almost good. Now I understand why people do their eyes first and then foundation. Yeah, this is like so clean. Garbage. And she takes Cypress Umber and she puts it just like right in the middle here. Oh, I've got it literally directly in my eye. Got it. Oh, it's fun to like try and be like precise. It's like on this side the colors are like kind of defined and you can like kind of see what's going on. This eye is like the day of makeup and this eye is like the day after makeup. Now she's taken like a brownish, hers is more auburn than mine but it's fine. And then she lines her waterlines with this. Ooh, oh. God, I am not careful. Hi. I have like no motor control when I'm high. Oh, I'm sorry. Not sober. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. It's just true. Oh, it's okay. We're gonna line our eyes anyway. It's okay. It's chill. Eyeliner like adds 5 years to me. Like now I could pass for 27. I already did that eye. You would think that I'd never done makeup before if you saw this. If I went out in public like this, you'd think, oh, you know, good for her, she tried, this is her first time doing it, she'll get better. I used to do my makeup every day in high school. Not like this, but like I knew how to use eyeliner. So she highlighted her brow bone with a thing that I don't have. I have this. Oh, there she is. She's subtle, but she's there. Yeah, I'm just gonna load it on. Load it on! We need some dimension in this blob of color. An inner corner. Of course. Hey, that actually makes it look so much better. Like, just that one little detail. Like, kind of, like, ties it together and doesn't look quite as messy, even though it is. So she just informed me that we're not doing a top liner. So that little mistake that I made is gonna be there. I mean, I could do one if I wanted. I could do like a subtle brown. Would that fuck it up? I don't know. Yeah, it's fucking it up. It is indeed fucking it up. And then she does mascara and then she's done. Oh, but that looks kind of pretty though. That actually looks nice. But it's like these lashes look better than, like just everything about this eye is better. Can I get these to kind of go the same way? No, now they just look like spiders. Come to the rescue. Come. Got mascara on the front of the palette. Jay Kissa also does her brows off camera. So, we're just gonna gel these down real fast. But we're not filling them in because I just cannot figure that shit out. But I think they look pretty handsome when they're all combed up. I'm like a fox. So I'm gonna try something that I've never done. Normally I don't contour, I just like do blush around my cheekbones. But I gotta follow the tutorial. And I'm going to try and just like squeeze this brush into the right shape and go in with this like dark powder that's like way too dark for me. Let's see if this looks natural. No. It's way too red. Okay, this cheek's gonna be... How do I hold my hand? This is gonna be more difficult. Oh no. Oops. Did that do anything? Back in with the highlight. Packing the tone. Now she does blush, which I'm glad about because this is my favorite part. I love blush. I can't even really see it, honestly. The highlight's too strong for lips. This is about the closest thing I have to what she uses. Hers is a little more red. I'm terrible at applying liquid lipstick. I'm terrible at applying all lipstick and, as you can see, most kinds of makeup. But we're gonna try to make this even. I kind of went ham on the dark lip. And she like layers her lipstick in this video. I'm gonna try and put this over it. My lips are very sticky. I don't hate it though. It didn't really change the color, it just made them glossier, which I'm alright with. And that's it. She does a setting spray, but I don't have that. So, we're done. This is the look. Do I look like Jay Kissa? Of course not. That wasn't the goal. The goal was The goal was to see if I could do it, and I would say that I kind of did it. I think I did the best I could. Probably looks better from where you guys are. Look, I'm far away right now. Let's zoom in. It's nice to know that if I'm feeling experimental someday, that I can actually sit down and try stuff like this and have fun with it. And have something that comes out halfway decent, maybe. Like, I kind of want to have fun with makeup now. I want to, like, try these things and actually go out into the public. Well, you know, eventually, when we can, again. Like, it just gives me a different persona. This Addie is a different kind of Addie than the Addie that started this video. Oh, alright, well that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Have a beautiful day.